Hiya and welcome to today's video. So what we're going to be answering in this one is under SEO basics, what every business owner should know. Okay, and what we're going to be covering is an overview of keywords, backlinks and content relevance and how this applies to your business and your website. Okay, so massively people sort of forget the importance of keywords. A lot of people just create a website, they put it out onto the internet, especially if you've paid a graphic designer or one of these Wix or any of the other sort of big ones. They don't give you any guidance on this. They just say, yeah, create a website and everybody will flock to it and they'll turn up. That is completely untrue. Okay, you need to build your website with keywords in mind. Okay, because keywords are basically what I'll show you now. So when someone goes onto Google, okay, in fact, when you go onto Google, you probably turn around and go, right, okay, then I need a mechanic in heaven. Okay, so wherever you live, and you'll enter. Okay, this mechanic in heaven is a keyword. Okay, mechanic is a keyword. Garage, auto repair shop, all these different things are keywords. So here we've typed in mechanic in keyword. Again, as said in other videos, you get Yelp, all these big players at the top, big directories. Then you get to the local maps pack. Now, unlike plumbers and stuff like that, at the moment, mechanics are not got the Google guaranteed. However, I do think that will roll out. So we can still get in the top here. Mick Abbott's Auto Repairs MOT and Tyre Centre, number one, 74 reviews, vehicle repair shop, doing really, really well. Okay. Also there, Mick Abbott Auto Repairs is, oh, thanks Dan, number one in the organic search as well. Okay, which is great for this company as a mechanic in heaven. And as you can see on here, Heaven's leading mechanic. So there's the keyword in there in what's called the meta description. Heaven in the description. Different bits and pieces, different words and things that link this together. Okay, so that is a keyword, okay, or a key phrase, whatever. And you have sort of different levels. So mechanic, obviously, there's going to be a lot of competition for that one word. However, if you put local mechanic, car mechanic, van mechanic, mechanic in Heaven, in Jarrow, in South Tyneside, in Newcastle, wherever it is, they are a bit more niche specific, so then they are easier to rank for and get in front of. Okay, now you might be thinking, right, where do I find all these? Loads and loads of tools out here. I've got a Google Chrome thingy, one of these little Google, I can't think what they're called. I'll put a link down below. Keywords everywhere. It's free for the basic one. As you see here, it tells you loads of different stuff. It gives you lots of different information. Not too much on there. However, the best one to use, and it's free, is this, Answer the Public. And this is part of Neil Patel's website. I talk about Neil Patel quite regular because he's just brilliant, and if you want to really go in depth to a different level on SEO and you get really serious about it, Neil Patel's one of those people you want to be following and listening to. But here, this Answer the Public, it's like a little search thing. You can come in and we'll go mechanic. Okay, United Kingdom in English. We're going to search. Now what it does, it goes out and it looks at questions, prepositions, comparisons, alphabets, related keywords, all sorts. Okay, I'm not going to sign up. You can sign up for it if you want, but you get a certain amount of free searches anyway. So, loads of questions, what people answer. These are all your long tail keywords. Okay, are mechanic shops open today? Are mechanic shops open on weekends? Are mechanic shops open on MLK? I don't even know what MLK is. Can car mechanic near me? Can a mechanic drive my car? Hold your car. So you get all this different keywords, and these are what people are searching for. Now look, over 40,000 searches every month for words relating to mechanic and search phrases. And as you come down here, mechanic without tools, mechanic without experience, more questions, more information. And it keeps going and going and going. It gives you loads of other information. Another good way to do it is if you come into Google, just type in mechanic. Okay, so when you click on it, it brings up all the different search terms. So you could go mechanic mechanic auto repair, app, around me, in Aylesbury, apprenticeship. Okay, and just take out the ones that you want, because people are typing these in, which is why Google's showing it to you. Mechanic by trade, background, areas, benefits, mechanic business, and you just work your way through and see what's you've got there. Another great tool, ChatGPT. Free, just go type in ChatGPT, this chat.openai.com, and it'll bring up loads of great stuff. And in here, you can use this as a guide to help you and say, can you provide a list of keywords that are related to the word mechanic? ChatGPT goes away, and what that will do, it will give you, there we go. There you go, it's 20 to stop. So you might go, right, automotive repair, engine, maintenance, vehicle. So if we went now, vehicle mechanic near me, vehicle inspection near me, vehicle mechanic jobs, vehicle check, vehicle. So all of these are great keywords, okay? And you should be having these keywords built into your website, okay, and written about in your website, whether it's in an FAQ, so frequently answered questions sections, whether they're as blog posts or they're just internal linking on a website. So if you're on a home page, let's go and check in heaven. Go on, Nick Abbott, go to their website. Stand that up. Our services. So a nice looking website. You got all these keywords highlighted within here. On the different pages. Let's have a look. So these using a services, prices, warranty. Blog. I knew there'd be a blog there. Oh no, don't know what's going on now. No. But yeah, there should be within here lots of sort of links going on from Top Brand Tyres, Bridgestone, having all of these all sort of interlinked within the website. Okay. There's Google Maps going out, linking back to there. So again, different keywords, different uses. Okay, so you've got that on there. So that's your keywords, okay, and you need to use them within your website, because when the spiders come down and they crawl the website, they follow those keywords, okay, so they follow the link that's built into it, and that tells Google, oh, this is another page that is about this service or this keyword and things like that. So it helps build up that picture of Google to Google that you are the expert in your area. Okay, so the next bit we're going to look at is backlinks. And what a backlink is, I'm going to go onto this and see if I can get my thing to work. So you have in the middle your website. Now, there are hundreds of thousands and millions of websites out there. So say you've got Yale, these are citation websites. You put your details onto these all create a link back to your main website. So they always have car mechanic in Hebburn or wherever, www.autorepairandmot.com. Recommend this is Mick Abbott's Auto Repair or whatever it is. Okay, but all of those backlinks are worth something, and they give you what's called link juice. So the more things linking back to your website, the higher up the search engines you'll go. Now, it used to be you could do this and you could just flood thousands of cheap, nasty links and pay for them. It's not like that anymore. The links have to be relevant. They have to be from good authority sources. They have to be like not spammy and stuff like that. So it's a lot more complicated now. But backlinks are very, very important. And it is still the pages and the websites with the most backlinks are the ones still ranking at the top. Okay. However, if you do end up with like tons and tons of spammy backlinks, you can be penalized. Okay. So any website that can link back to you, as long as it's a good quality one, will give you a good quality backlink. Okay. So backlinks, very, very important. And the last one I'm going to cover is content relevance. Now, within any website, I'm going to go and have a look. Tree surgery. Okay. You need to be the expert in your field. Okay. Google is looking at it. Okay. To see if you are that expert. Okay. And so you might think, oh, right, well, my website like this one, I'm going to do Timmins Tree Surgery. Okay. And they've got nice looking clean website, videos, all sorts of good stuff on there. Okay, they give different services, but then they've also got a blog, and this is just packed full of loads and loads of information. So they've got stuff about tree pruning, tree storm damage, tree surgery, and that'll be all their articles together, all these different things. And the reason this is so important is because Google comes along, crawls the website again. Okay, now this one's about tree surgery. Okay, but just being about that isn't enough. We need to know what are all the different words about tree surgery. So you've got tree service, tree care, tree pruning, tree maintenance, um, types of trees, and just on and on and on. And you want to get as many different things. And off of each one of these, you're going to have more subcategories and articles, more related keywords, more all the different types that relate under pruning, all the different things that relate under maintenance, all the different types of tree and their tree care, and etc. and etc. etc. So what this does, it makes you become the expert in your field, and that is what Google wants. So again, ChatGPT is a great one for that, and I'm going to go on. I'm going to use some of these. So with mechanic, automotive. So we'll go for that keyword. Can you find a list of information that would be related to? I'll go car repair actually, just to keep it simple. Car repair, and provide a list of 10 article titles or service titles. And we'll ask. And like I said, you just use ChatGPT as a guide. Okay. So now, under auto repairs or car repairs or whatever it was at the time, here we go. These are all related stuff to go under that section. Okay. So it's given us these would all make great pages on that website. We've got 10 articles that we could create around those, which would be perfect for the blog and get them onto the blog. But you're doing this for each one. So your next one we did car repair, car maintenance. Can you do the same for car maintenance? Okay, and like I said, you don't necessarily want to use these, but they give you that inspiration to actually look at it and go, right, I've now got an idea of the content that I can create based around those keywords and what's on there. So ChatGPT, highly recommended. This is the paid version. However, there's a free version which is absolutely fantastic. But like I said, you're just using it as a guide. Okay, and you can see different ones here, like course titles, article creation, first aid training keywords, catchy titles for sales funnel articles. So I use all of these for different things within my business and for my client's business. Just give me that inspiration. So I'll take this away and go, boom, I'm going to write a load of articles or have a load of articles and information about these because this is what people are looking for and searching for. Okay, so I'll now go to, I hope that made sense. So we're going to come back. Where's my little fat noggin? Okay, I'll close that. And I'll do me quick summary. So keywords. So the definition. Keywords are words or phrases that users enter into search engines to find information. They are the main terms that define what your content is about. Okay. Importance. Keywords are crucial because they act as the bridge between what people are searching for and the content you are providing to meet that need. Your ability to effectively research and target the right keywords will dictate how well you connect with your audience. So usage. To make the most of keywords, you should include them in strategic places like the title, headers, body text, meta description, and URLs of your pages. However, it's important to use keywords naturally and avoid overstuffing, as modern search engines can penalize obvious keyword manipulation. So don't spam your website because it will get noticed. Second part, backlinks. So definition, backlinks are links from external websites that point to your website. They are also referred to as inbound links or incoming links. Importance, backlinks are significant for SEO because they act as a vote of confidence from one site to another. A higher number of quality backlinks can help increase a website's ranking position and visibility in search engine results. Usage. The key to effective backlinking is earning high quality links from reputable and relevant websites. This can be achieved through creating valuable content that naturally attracts links, guest blogging, and engaging in outreach to related businesses and blogs. Finally, the content relevance or content relevance. Definition. Content relevance refers to how well your website's content matches the search queries of your target audience. It's about providing content that fulfills the needs or answers the questions of users. The importance. Relevant content is critical because search engines aim to provide the most useful and pertinent information to users based on their search queries. Highly relevant content is more likely to rank well and attract clicks, which in turn signals to search engines that your site is a valuable resource. Usage. To ensure content relevance, focus on understanding your audience's needs and questions. This involves keyword research to understand what topics your answer is searching for and creating detailed, insightful content that addresses those topics comprehensively. So be the expert. Together, these elements form a solid foundation for any SEO strategy. Effective use of keywords helps you reach the right audience. Quality backlinks enhances your site's authority and trustworthiness, and relevant, well-crafted content ensures that visitors find value in your site, encouraging them to stay longer and interact more deeply. All these factors contribute to better search engine rankings and improved visibility online. Okay, so keywords, backlinks, content relevance. Essential for your website in order for it to start ranking and ranking well. Okay, all these things all work together. Okay, so I hope you found that video helpful to give you an idea of the importance of what actually goes on and what the search engines are actually looking for and why it's so important to your business. Okay, and I'll see you in the next video.